welcome to the channel. We wanted to show you the garden that we've been working on for the past few months and just give you a little walkthrough. So we decided to go with the cattle troughs. We just thought that it would be a better look for what we were going for. Jason drilled holes into the bottom so that it would irrigate better. We used organic raised bed soil, but first we filled them with sticks and leaves from our property before we filled them up. This one I did carrots, tomatoes, I got some lemon thyme. I'm trying to grow some cucumbers. It's not going very well for me though. And the flowers, I actually don't even know the names of all of them. These are Alyssium. They're supposed to help with certain bugs that go after tomatoes. We did the trellises because I was hoping that I could get some stuff to grow up. It's not working very well for me. Over here we have strawberries and some flowers that are good to be companions for strawberries. We had a lot of strawberries at the old house, so I actually brought them with us when we moved. Over here I have some dead peas. They're not doing so good. I do have some okra that surprisingly is growing, and I have bell peppers that have not gotten any bigger for the past month, so I'm not really sure what's going on with those. Over here we have green beans for our dog Earl, because he just likes to come and pick them off the vine himself. And then I have this candy corn vine that I was really hoping would flower because it literally looks like a candy corn. It's really cool. Bird feeders that I've actually put some strawberries in as well. Just ones that didn't make it. And we just got done putting the mulch in this past weekend. And we have our lights that it's really pretty when the sun's going down and it gets all lit up. So yeah, that's about it. I think we have one more thing to do. Jason needs to screw in all the railroad ties together so they won't move. But yeah, that's about it.